Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack, and today I will be showing you how to change business address on Waze. So to do this, first is of course you just simply open up the Waze application into your device. Now guys, once you are here, you can just simply go ahead and select the three lines on the top left corner or the menu icon, and now here, a pop-up will show up and you will have an option down below, help and feedback. So go ahead and tap on help and feedback. And now from here, you will have an option report an issue. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, you just have to choose a specific topic, tap on it. And now you will have an option over here, report a map issue. Now, once you have done that, you will have additional fill ups. So on the top, you will just simply go ahead and provide the correct address. And you could just simply type on issue type down below, and you will have incorrect address over here. So go ahead and tap on it. And of course, down below, you should just simply describe the issue that you want to change the business address on Waze. So pretty much over here, the more accurate you provide the information about the changes, the more it will be much faster that the support will help you out. So guys, just simply provide the correct address and you can edit map locations as well, which from here you can just simply pinpoint where is it, and pretty much over here you should be able to change the business address after a few days, and the support of Waze will reach back to you via email. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.